Zmaj. Zmaj is one of the most famous mythological creatures in the Serbian Slavic mythology, but there are several species that are dragon-like, and those are Zmaj, Ala, and Rtaja. Zmaj can be divided into human-like dragons and snake-like dragons. In this video, we will talk about snake-like dragons and try to explain their meaning in Serbian Slavic folklore. According to the popular belief, Zmaj is a good demon. They are demons of rain and a good harvest in the household. Zmaj is natural enemy to Ala, who are the bringers of hail clouds and hailstorm. There used to be a belief that Zmaj was created from carp, mostly some parts of eastern Serbia, or from a snake that had reached a certain number of years without being seen by the human eye, or for carp that was not caught. For a time, killing snakes was a taboo, as well as eating carp's meat. The time period from the creation of Zmaj varies from 9 to 20 years, but it all depends on folklore. Zmaj has the appearance of serpentine and winged creatures, but they are also prone to metamorphosis. They tend to be like a fireball or have appearance of a beautiful young man. They are also imagined as balls of fire that fly throughout the night, which can also mean the cosmological form of the dragon in the old belief in the form of a shooting star. Their sexual desire is great, but before people didn't pay much attention, until there was a drought, so people would burn hollow beech trees and make noises to make the Zmaj do its work. They would also do this if Zmaj went too far with his sexual ecstasy towards a certain woman, but women generally avoid talking about being with Zmaj, because then he would lose his power and most likely die. There is a belief that dragons live on inaccessible and high mountains, but also that they hide in the hollow trees, which are mostly beech trees. Since I live in eastern Serbia, I can tell you a story from a man I know, and he told me that he once saw people lighting a beech tree and preparing boiling water in the cauldron. Since the man did not know what was going on, he asked them what it was all about, and they wanted to drive the Zmaj away so that it would not sexually assault their wives. It is believed that if the Zmaj was with a woman, their child would be dragonborn or zduhač. According to the folk tales and songs, the dragon-like hero is stronger and more powerful than his father, so he kills him in the end, which is something that happens most often in all other mythos of the Indo-European myths and pagan gods. For dragon heroes and zduhač deserve another video, since I think they are a different type of mythological creatures. Beings who in folk heroic songs fought against the Ottoman Empire in the period when Serbia was defeated, but also left their version of the story that is mythologically, ethnologically and historically significant. Goodbye and see you in the next video.